my buddy wanted to put in, let me show you this. This bracket, which supports the brake master, right? So the battery tray, the factory battery tray went, there it is right here, these two bolts, that went there. So here's the battery tray, the stock one. It went here. Whatever, like right there, right? There's the stock location, and then obviously the battery was too tall and would hit there, right? So in the car, so I took these two spare tire, I think it's a spare tire, that's what I assume. Took those two bolt holes and wanted to make a bracket. I wasn't even sure I would show you guys this. It's so bad. I'm not a fabricator, but whatever, here goes. I just finished welding it, and it's hot still. And you can see I am not a welder. It'll hold, but it's not pretty. And you can see the two bolt holes here and there. And then I got the battery box here, the alignment hole in the middle, and two nuts welded on the bottom, like tack welded on. So that will go in that spot. So this thing has that alignment, and this will go in there. I drilled it out, and where's it go? There. I drilled it out, got the nuts welded in that. The nuts are on the back side, and you can see this hole and this hole drilled. So as soon as this cools down, I'll bolt it in. So here's the test fit. It's in there, bolted in. Get an idea. Then you still have the stock tie down things. So that should work. That's good enough. Then he has this thing in there. So that's it. That's good. He can paint it himself. New purchase, huh? Right? Seat brackets on. See if this thing fits. Well, that's well, we'll actually bolt it, but it's pretty tight there. Big brake for the fronts coming in on this thing. Stock. That's what it looks like. He just has some Porterfield race pads in here, and I just disconnected this. That's it on this one. But when I did the other side, the kit he's got here, like this fitting right here, doesn't fit in here, so I had to grind this smaller to fit in there, and then they didn't provide any E-clips in here to make it fit right, so I went to Ace Hardware and got some E-clips. But I'll show you, I got the other side looking good. And then this one too, same thing. It doesn't fit. They didn't get the right fittings on it. It's got some random brake line, it looks like. So here, driver side all done. Pads are in. So you can see I got it here. Maybe I should adjust this so it pushes it up away from that bolt. It doesn't rub. Maybe I'll do that. I'll turn this a little more or something. And then, or I can move this up like this. There. But anyway, yeah, see, I got it to fit in there. It doesn't fit. Normally I had to grind it. I don't know if you can tell. The same with this one. It normally doesn't fit. I like put a grinder to it, and so you can see it's not perfect. But I put a grinder to it and shaved it all down in there so it would fit in. And yep, this is good to go. Just got the car done with the brakes, got the wheels on, bled the brakes, right? Did all the corners. Get the door. Did all the corners. Flushed out the whole brake system with new brake fluid. We ended up using, here it is, use this stuff. go for a drive on the new brakes. Whatever. We got the new brakes, back to the stock shifter. I don't know, that's about it really. All the seats, that's right. First time in the race seats. Well, that's new too. Oh, that's new? Or did that do it before? It's new.
Right now.
They're doing her hard braking, but yeah. Before it was like all the time. Easy. Yeah, they're improving. Keep it back here. I think Matt Dolan's coming to do an exhaust. Yeah, just do wherever you can get your door open the easiest. Alright, got this list of stuff done so far. Move the battery here. Brake support in for the master. Put in the race seats. And put the stock shifter back in because the other shifter didn't work. And then we got the front brakes on, and we bled the brakes. So we're moving along nicely. And yeah, we got a couple more things to do, some wiring things, and then it's done. Then the thing can go for a cage, and we'll be weighing it here soon. Just throw the carbon fiber on.